This is the Licensure Management and Application Online System tutorials for the new automated system. Individuals who have completed an in-state approved teacher education program will need to complete an in-state initial standard professional educator application. When completing this application, you must have the following documents available in electronic format to upload with your online application: official transcripts, test scores, work authorization if you are not a U.S. citizen, experience verification if it applies, and a non-refundable processing fee. Licensure questions or technical difficulties, please contact the Licensure section at 919-807-3310. From the main login page, create and register for an online account. Enter your name, enter an email address, create a user ID that you will remember, select a password recovery question in case you forget your password or user ID. Verify that your registration information is correct and save the information. You'll be emailed a temporary password to the email address that you entered. From the main login page, enter your user ID and temporary password. Change your password. Because this is your first license, answer no that you have never been issued a professional educator's license. Select Next. From the Quick Start menu, select In-State Initial Standard Professional Educator. Read through the instruction page. Valuable information is located here regarding your responsibilities for the license. You can move through the application by pressing the Next button at the bottom of the page, or to select the corresponding tabs on the left. The tabs on the left are exactly the same for every application type as they apply. For the name and personal details, be certain to input correct data. Once the application is submitted and the fee is paid, you cannot change this information. You will need to submit a new request to make changes to this information, which may include an additional fee. Items on the application with a red asterisk are required fields. You cannot submit the application without completing these fields. Complete the contact information. Make sure the email address is correct, since this is the main way of communication between you and the licensure section. You may want to use a personal email address instead of your school system email address, so you will not have to update this information if you change employers. Enter the zip code and press the lookup button. This will default the city, state, county, and country. In compliance with the U.S. Department of Education, all applicants must answer the ethnicity question and identify as at least one race. Up to 6 races can be chosen. Select U.S. citizen if you are a citizen of this country. If not, proof of a valid work authorization must be attached to the application. For the Education tab, the state automatically defaults to North Carolina. Enter your institution information. You must select your academic major. If your major is not listed, select Other. Press Save. You can then enter any additional degree information, such as a master's or doctorate degrees. For the license area verification, select your license area type. Administrative areas, student service areas, or teaching areas. Select your licensure area. List the degree level you completed. List your program completion date. The country and state automatically default. Select Yes if the program you completed leads to a license in this state. Select the college or university where you completed the program. The Dean of Education or licensure officer at the college or university will receive electronic requests to verify your completion of their program. This electronic verification request will not be sent until you pay the processing fee. Press Save. If you completed more than one education program, you can enter it at this place. If you have previous work experience, please enter it in the Experience tab. If the experience was not teaching in a North Carolina K-12 public school setting, you will need to have your previous employers complete the required verification forms, which can be found on the Licensure section's website at www.ncpublicschools.org. For the affiliations, you can select the public school or charter school with which you want to affiliate. This will allow the school system to view your license information. For the statement of applicant, please answer both questions. If you have answered yes to either question, you must provide a statement of explanation and attach official documents of the incident. For the application attachments, upload all documents to complete this application. Transcripts are the only required documents, but all forms need to be uploaded to complete the application. Once you have chosen the file, press Attach. You can continue to attach as many documents as they apply. You cannot reopen your application to add documents once it has been submitted and the fee paid. Files can be uploaded as PDFs, Microsoft Office documents, or JPEGs. The final Summary tab provides you a quick glance at the information entered. You can change any of the information by selecting the Edit button or the corresponding tab on the left. Once you have verified that the information is correct, press Submit. Once you press Submit, answer the attestation statement that verifying the information entered is correct. Once you press Submit and pay the fee, you cannot go back and make any changes. If you do not press Submit, the application and attachments will remain on file for 30 days. You must complete the application within 30 days or you'll need to upload your documents again. You can select Pay Now to pay your fee, or you can view your application as a PDF. Press Next and Next. This will bring you to a screen in which you can make payment for your application. Payments can be paid by Visa or MasterCard only. Your application will not be processed or viewed by the licensure section until you pay the fee.